A how-to guide to Adobe Spark Page. Welcome to Adobe Spark Page. This is an extraordinary app which can be a great help to you in your classroom. It's easy to use for students and teachers alike and can create some professional quality presentations. If you're bored with the PowerPoint or traditional book report, this is a great tool for engaging the classroom in a new way. Spark Page is one of the easiest apps to use, and it is incredibly versatile in purpose. When you open the app, it begins with a display of other Spark Page projects. These provide inspiration and possibilities if you aren't aware just of what Spark Page is capable of. You could make a presentation about Iceland, or about the Bull City Blues. You could write an ode to California. Once you've been sufficiently inspired, click on the plus sign to create your own Spark Page. This will take you to a page that looks like this. It's a blank slate ready for you to build on, and building your specialized page is a very easy thing to do. A vertical sidebar will appear on the right-hand side with all the options of elements to add to your presentation. The first element added will be the title page. Here, I have created a title page using a collage designed in another program. I chose to upload it from my iPad, but you can always use the iPad's camera and insert pictures straight into your Spark Page. If you click on the wand icon in the upper right-hand corner of your project, you'll be able to choose a theme for it. This allows you to set the tone of the piece by choosing a consistent font throughout. Once you've completed your title page and selected your theme, which you can change at any point along the way, a great feature, click again on the plus sign at the bottom of the page, and you'll be able to add graphics, text, video links, and more. This page is designed to scroll vertically, and there is no limit to the number of pages or objects you can include. It is flexible and can be as long or short as you like. These several options are consistent throughout the designing of the project. They are easily mastered and then unchanging, which makes building your Spark Page that much easier. Adding a photo is simple, and pictures can be chosen from anywhere on your device or taken through the iPad's camera, just like we did with the title page. Text is also very simple. A text box will appear below the adding menu, and you can type or copy text directly into it. Adding a button will allow you to link the website directly into your Spark Page, making it interactive and connected to other sources that you want your students to explore. Because it is so compatible with outside sources, Spark Page is great for presenting your classes with new information or introducing a new unit. Because it's so easy to use, students are able to make their own projects to demonstrate learning and mastery of a selected topic. Videos can be added directly from YouTube or other video sites. They can even be directly added from the iPad. The photo grids and glide shows are part of what makes Spark Page unique and gives it such a professional look. The photo grid is your standard arrangement of 2 or more pictures. It adds a new dimension to the piece and keeps it fresh looking. Here is an example of a photo grid. Like all the other picture features of Spark Page, it allows for pictures to be gathered from anywhere on the iPad. It also allows you to search the internet for copyright-free images without leaving Spark Page. This is a very convenient feature, especially for teachers, because it means that students are not required to travel to different sites and risk distraction or off-task behavior. In this photo grid, I utilized the internet search feature. There is no limit to the number of pictures you can include in a grid, which allows for great creativity with your final product. The program will artistically arrange your photos for you, but you, as the creator, have the power to specify the order which pictures go in and which pictures you want larger or smaller. The glide show is one of my favorite features. It allows a series of photos to serve as a background and includes scrolling text or other graphics to pass by on top in an interesting 3D effect. Photos are retrieved in the same way as before, and they are arranged vertically in a sliding effect to make a background for your text and images in the forefront. The top layer of the Glideshow can offer all of the same features as before: photos, text, buttons, and video. In this example, I've included both an image and a video, which a student utilizing this program would be able to watch without visiting YouTube. You are able to add to any portion of SparkPage at any time. Any image can be replaced at any point in the designing process, which allows for the freedom of experimentation. SparkPage is a fluid and adaptable tool which will be useful in many classroom projects, both from the perspective of a student and of an educator. If its easy usability and practical classroom application wasn't enough to convince you to add this app to your toolbox, its cost certainly will. Adobe SparkPage is free. This app can be found in the App Store or on the Spark website and downloaded for a non-existent cost. Adobe SparkPage is a worthwhile addition to any classroom. Practical, effective, easy to use, and extremely cost-effective, it can add a unique style to any project that students and teachers will love.